The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Mga kaibigan, na paggawa ng sulat para sa mga taong bahagi ng ating damdamin ay isang mabisang paraan para gumaan ang ating nararamdaman. Writing that letter for someone is a form or a way for us to discover and to acknowledge and to confirm what we have deep inside. Tonight, our first letter is a letter from Jel to Dan. Jel and Dan, they're both 24 years old, and Jel is from Baguio City and Dan is from Pangasinan. Mga kaibigan, ang kabuuan letter ni Jel for Dan, pakinggan po natin.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi ng sulat ni Jel for Dan, Dear Dan,
The letter.
kamusta ka na? It's been a long time since we last talked. At yung time na yon yung nakipag-break ka sa akin. Sobra akong nasaktan noon kasi minahal kita ng tapat, pero out of the blue, nakipag-break ka sa akin sa mismong mansari natin. Ang sakit-sakit. Gustong-gusto kong malaman yung totoong dahilan kung bakit ka nakipag-break, pero pinagpalit mo yon. Dan, alam mong ikaw ang pinakaunang lalaking pinakilala ko sa family ko. Pero pinaya mo lang ako sa kanilang lahat kasi iniwan mo akong ganun-ganun na lamang. Pero wag kang mag-alala kasi hindi ako kasing hina ng inaakala mo. Heto ako ngayon, masayang-masaya dahil nakilala ko ang lalaking tunay na nagmamahal sa akin. Siguro nga yun ang bagay na may pagpapasalamat ko sa iyo. Sorry kung may pagkukulang man ako sa iyo dati. Kung may nagawa man akong masama, Dan, gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo na napatawad na kita at tanggap ko na hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa. Sana ito ang maging way na mawala ang bitterness sa puso natin. Sana, Dan, palagi kang masaya, take care, and God bless, Dan, coming from Jel.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping. If only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Ay nako, sabi ng letter sender sa atin, sana mawala na yung bitterness sa puso natin. Ang totoo, sa inyong dalawa o sa puso mo lang? Tatanong lang. I've always heard, na mga kaibigan, heard a lot of people say na they give so much weight and value into it na ikaw lang ang pinakilala ko, ikaw lang unang pinakilala ko. What's the point? What's the point? Hindi ba ang normal ay dapat lahat ng jowa pinapakilala? Di ba? It doesn't make sense. It will never make sense na you give weight dahil kailan na magulang mo, yan taong yan. It does not, will never make sense kung yan ang dahilan para maging masakit sa'yo na hindi na kayo magkasintahan ngayon. There should be more than that. Not because kilala siya ng magulang mo, dahil, di ba? Not because legal kayo sa bahay ninyo, but because you love the person. And you let go of the person a lot easier because that person no longer likes you or loves you, hindi dahil kilala siya na magulang mo. But then, Jel, and then, siguro dumating na pagkakataon na ang tadhana ay gumawa ng paraan at nagbigay ng tuldok at hangganan sa inyong pagmamahalan. Well, I know that you're the biggest player on this one, the two of you, Jel and Dan, and that I'd wish that someday you and Dan will have and will find that very true love meant to be with you. If not Jel, if not Dan, somebody else out there is meant to be with you. And just keep an open mind, open heart, your doors and your windows open. And who knows, soon enough, that person will cross your path. And next thing you know, you're in love again. Before you allow anybody to take away your breath, catch it first, mga kaibigan. Tawag sa akin over 832-6171 or 1-800-10-100-5683. Air Supply, ang awiting every woman in the world, mga kaibigan. Tawag sa akin over 832-6171 or 1-800-10-100-5683.
Overnight scenes, dinner and wine, Saturday girls. I was never in love, never had the time in my hustle and hurry world. Laughing myself to sleep, waking up lonely. I needed someone to hold me, oh. It's such a crazy hometown, it can drag you down till you run out of dreams. So you party all night to the music and lights, but you don't know what happiness means. I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no love around me, when suddenly you found me, oh. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Oh, girl. Everything good, everything fine, that's what you are. So put your hand in mine, and together we'll climb as high as the highest star. I'm living a lifetime in every minute that we're together, and I'm staying right here forever. Oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Oh, girl.
Don't hold back anymore, because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter with your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. Sulat na.